I uploaded a video about a week ago showing us cleaning some luxury vinyl plank with some Shaw hard floor cleaner because it's a Shaw floor. Well, this company, this is a busy office, so they get a lot of traffic. And I'll show you, they get a lot of stuff like this and it doesn't come up with just sweeping. So today I'm going to be using the Bona premium spray mop. We didn't buy this. This office bought it, and I'm going to use it and try it out and see if it works any better, any worse, or the same as the Shaw floor cleaner. Now this is the premium spray mop, which is kind of similar to the Swiffer with the spray deal on the end, and it has the microfiber pad. It comes with a bottle of the solution, and this is of course in two pieces, and it'll be put together into one piece to complete the whole spray system deal. So I'm going to try it out in just a minute after I get it put together, and we'll see if it cleans up these spots any better, particularly on the really thick spots, if it'll help dissolve any of the dried up drink spills or anything like that. I'm kind of interested to see just how well the Bona is going to do, because Bona is geared more towards the consumer than the professional. So it's going to be interesting to see just how this does. So here we go. It seemed to take up that spot pretty well. So far it's working pretty good. One of the main concerns is it not having any type of sticky residue. So I'm going to let this section dry, and then I'll come back and see if it dried right or if it has any sticky residue. This spot here is being a little bit tougher, but I think it's a little bit thicker spot, and it's red, so it's probably some type of sugary spill. But it's coming up. Of course, I'm working against the grain right there too. One thing you'll notice about this is a swivel on the end. And a lot of times these swivels that go to extreme angles can kind of be a pain to use. But at the same time, it's also good for getting underneath chairs and furniture and things like that. So that one came up pretty good too. That one not so much. I think I'm gonna have to use a scraper on that. Now here are some light spots, so I expect these to come up pretty easily. And they did. There's another one that's a little bit tougher. It's not a spill. I think it's some type of mud or something. Right there. Spray that again. And it didn't quite come up, it's still there. Okay, I'm back at the first spots that we cleaned, and I want you to listen really, really close. So I'm hearing a sticky residue, and that's one of the worst things that you can have happen to your floors, simply because that sticky residue is going to attract a lot more dirt than a non-sticky type of cleaner. If you remember back in the video I did using the Shaw cleaner, there was absolutely no sticky residue. So the Bona seems to be working pretty good, not quite as good as the Shaw cleaner, but it's also leaving a residue. So I'm gonna go try one more spot that I just cleaned and see if I get any stickiness out of it. Yeah, not as much, but listen. Okay, this was one of the rooms we showed last time, and there's a good bit of spots, and I know for a fact these are coming from sugary drinks. So let's see how good these come up. Yeah, that one didn't do much. I didn't expect it would, simply because it's really thick, and it's gonna have to be scraped off. That one not so much. Now here looks like some dried food on here also, so let's check these out. So that one came out okay. We still got some right here though that we're gonna have to scrape up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-spray these and let them sit for a couple minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes, and see if that makes them any easier to come up. All right, we had these sit for about 3.5 minutes. So I'm gonna run the microfiber pad over them and see if it comes up from that, and if not, we'll scrape them up. No, that one's kind of hard to see. And it came up a little more, but it's still there. So I'm gonna run the microfiber pad over this one and see what it does. Came up pretty well. I also know that this particular spot is not that old, because we had cleaned this, a week ago, and we had got up any of the big spots. So it's new, so it hasn't had as much time to get as big and as thick as they'll get a lot of times. But as you can see, it's still there, so you run the scraper on it. They're definitely not coming up as easy as they did using the Shaw Hard floor cleaner. And still there. One more thing you might want to take into consideration is this is a nice, neat all-in-one setup, but depending on how hard you squeeze the trigger, the strength of the spray will go either further or not as far. And you can make adjustments for that. But in the end, I still prefer using a flat mop and a spray bottle, because you can direct the spray a little bit better how you want it. One more negative I found about the Bona system is where the spray jet's located. It sometimes sprays out of the jet and onto the top of the base of the microfiber mop. But even more so is when you move the handle up and down, sometimes it sprays a little bit of cleaner out when you don't want it to. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I don't think it's designed to do this, but there's a little bit of play in the handle, and if you push it down just a little bit, you see you get a little bit of spray. You see, you push it down a bunch more times and you don't get anything. So I'm pretty sure it wasn't designed to work that way. And I'll show you from another angle. So you push the handle down, and it doesn't move very much. It's just a little bit. But you get that little bit of spray right there from the handle movement. So I'm going to let the handle go, and I'm going to push it again. Nothing. 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 So since it's not spraying except that first time, after you do a back and forth movement, I don't think it's made that way. And what will end up happening is you're going to put cleaner down when you don't want to. And you may not even notice it, so you'll leave a puddle of it there where it's going to dry even thicker than you want it to. So that's just something to be aware of. After using the Bona Premium Spray Mop on the same exact type of spots that we use the Shaw Hard Floor Cleaner on, I would say that I do not recommend the Bona system. It seemed to struggle a little bit more with the moderate and heavy spots, and it's leaving a slight sticky residue that are going to make your floors get dirtier faster. So that's just my opinion. As always, I appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video.